Sabi nila, balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikupli. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata, at ang takot kung sakali man ika'y mawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan.
You commit of your own feelings to manage your forever in the loving service of your life?
Yes, I do.
Annette Gay Concepcion Aguiar, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the loving service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Are you both ready to raise the children which may be born of your age as good members of the community?
Yes, I do.
Annette Gay Concepcion Aguiar, do you think Romeran Capella, who is present here to be your lawful husband under the law?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Romeo Landa Peña, do you take Annette Gay Concepcion Aguiar, who is present here to be your lawful wife under the law?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you have the rings? May masipinera.
Yes, sir.
So, those rings, if you notice, they cut in the form of circle. They have no beginning, they have no end. They symbolize infinity. Meaning, once you're married for life. Only death can sever your marriage ties. Give those rings unto each other as a symbol of your eternal love to one another. In one doing so, you express your vows to each other in whatever dialect or whatever language which you prefer. Just make it loud enough so that the witnesses and the solemnizing officer can hear. Proceed.
May guys, ito po yung sing-sing napapatunayan na sa kabila ng lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, ito yung sing-sing ng pagmamahal ko. Lahat gagawin ko para sa atin. Ito yung simbolo ng pagmamahal ko.
Romeo Peña, wife, naging mabuting asawa at sa anak natin. Promise ko sa'yo na makakaibigan ka ng mundo at kasama tayo.
So, please, forward and please. You repeat after me, okay? We bind ourselves before the law
Combine the self
to be one heart and one soul.
to be one heart and one soul.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer and poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
From among those who are present here, is there anyone who opposes the marriage of this couple? There being none, therefore, be granted unto me the Republic of the Philippines, as news partner contest sa Moga City. I now pronounce you Romela Patrenia and Anet Gay Aguiar, first name, Concepcion Aguiar, as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Romel, you may not be Anet Gay, your wife. Congratulations on the speeches. Please take your seat and we will now have the signing of the marriage certificate.
Laging hahawakan iyong mga kamay.
Hindi ka na mag-iisa sa hirap at ginhawa, ay iibigin ka mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Mula ngayon hanggang dulo.
Ikaw at ako